Hello, in this video I want to show you a couple camera tricks on Motorola Edge 30 Pro. So at first we are going to start from the standard modes, and when we are in the photo mode we can quickly increase and decrease the brightness level. Take a look. Let me just switch to the mode. Okay, so here we are in the photo mode, and to change the brightness level you have to tap on the screen and then move this settings icon. So we can decrease and increase brightness level. If you want to get automatically brightness, just tap on the screen 2 times. It works also in the video mode. Take a look. It works the same. Okay, right now we are going back for the photo mode. When we open this kind of the menu, we are able to enable the timer for 3 or 10 seconds. So it's useful when you try to take the tripod photo. When you tap on the shutter after this setup, 3 or 10 seconds, the photo will be taken. We can also change here the aspect ratio and activate motion photos. Another option that we can use, it will be right here in this additional modes. We can get the spot color. So for example, if you want to get only yellow color or red on your photos, you have to drag this for the color that you want to get on the photo, and then move this slider to get rid of other colors. I think that we can make it like that. And right now, when you tap on the shutter, take a look how the photo looks. Let's rotate the screen. Okay, never mind, it's not available here. So let's go back for this camera application. So on the photo we can only find the red colors, as you can see. And this mode is also available for the video mode, but I can recommend you to not zoom in, because take a look what is going to happen. You pick the color, and when you try to zoom in or change lenses, as you can see, it's not working properly. Let me just change it right now. As you can see, it disappears when you zoom in. But the cool feature is that we can actually change the color while recording. And that's how it looks. Another option that we can use in this smartphone, it's ultra resolution mode. It's right here. So if you want to get more details on your photo, enable this mode, take photo. Right now I'm gonna switch to the normal one and we can compare the photos. Okay, right now let's check how it looks. So this one was taken with a normal mode and the photo looks like that. For example, we can focus on this Alcatel smartphone and on this guy right here. And let's switch to the 50 megapixel mode. As you can see right here, we can find more details, especially on the keyboard on the phone. There's no difference on the face, but on the keyboard you can definitely spot difference. Let's go back for the photo one more time. So that's normal mode, and that's the 50 megapixel mode. We can also zoom in a little bit closer. So to get more details, just definitely use this 50 megapixel mode. And we can right now we are going to the settings where we can find also useful options. Like in the photos, you can change the photo resolution manually if you want. But the most interesting options you will find right here in the capture settings. So we can enable feature called tap anywhere to capture. And right now when you go back for our camera application, we can tap whenever on the screen and the photo will be taken. So it's useful when you hold your phone, for example, like that, and you cannot reach this bottom shutter. So you can just tap on the screen and you can also take photos. Okay, and actually that's all. You can also try to use the burst shot. That's the last available option that is a little bit hidden right here. So you have to use the volume up or down button, click and hold, and take a look. You can take a lot of photos, and the same when you click and hold the shutter. And yes, you can also take photo by tapping on the volume buttons. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.